crypto enthusiasts, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be showing you how you can be able to withdraw Eyen from the wallet. We're going to show you the full procedure, so stay tuned to the end so that you understand the full process on this. Let's get started. First of all, we're going to talk about ThinkMe, and now they said that if you impute up to $10 in your wallet consistently, they're going to be giving you weekly profit, and it ends on December. Now, are we going to join this? Of course not. We are not into this. We're just going to be earning the coins the right way. Do not put in any $10 even though they're giving any profit. Even though you create the wallet, do not do it. If you're doing it, you're doing it at your own risk. Just wanted to make sure I get this out there so that you guys are informed. And now we have Sidra. Keep claiming your tokens. You click on claim tokens every 24 hours in this box. Keep claiming it. As you can see, they have added new features. Your KYC status, if it's confirmed, you can check it out over here. The referrals you have gotten, the date you joined, very new things to help us out. And then for the tokens you're mining every day, you can see them here. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the testnet data. That is the ones you mine on the app, 272 coins. And you can see all this, what they have done. Creating wallets has already been done. Calculating previous events already been done. Now they have migrated the CIDRA points to the new platform. Referral and reward calculation has also come around. Now there's going to be more coming out. We're going to keep you updated on this, and if you have joined them, make sure to be mining daily. To create your wallet, I did a video on it. The link is going to be in the description box. The thumbnail is on your screen right now, so make sure to watch it so you understand the full process of it. We did a project called Eyen some time ago. The thumbnail to the video is going to be in the thumbnail to the video is on your screen right now. The video is going to be in the description box along with the link to join. So you just have to watch the video so you know how to participate and start mining the airdrop. You can earn their tokens daily, and guess what, there's even a way you can withdraw it. So we're going to be looking into that today. But before that, make sure to join our WhatsApp handle. We give you updates on that, and also the Telegram channel, and you can also follow the Twitter handle. Make sure to join all three so you stay updated. You also watch the video, get the links, and we'll keep you communicated on any new event on any of the projects. So make sure to join it. You can also comment on the Telegram channel and the Twitter for any ideas or any questions you have apart from under the YouTube video. Now, as you can see, I have mine 244 over here, but you can see that it is locked. But that's not where we're going to be withdrawing. We're going to be withdrawing over here. Now, if you did the I token and you referred others, you, according to what you can see here, you earn 5% of everything that your friends earn out of their daily wages. That is mining daily. But how are you going to take advantage of this? Well, you go to I. Now, first of all, I would recommend you create a Web3 wallet. So you click on create wallet, set your password, get your SPR. Once you do that, you go over to Eyen wallet. Now you click on if you have some I tokens over here, and then it will show you in dollars. So basically click on it. Go to click on swap. You have to swap I to either ETH or USDT, preferably USDT, so you can get lesser fees. Now once you have swapped it, you just have to click on transfer. Then once you create the wallet, it will show you this where you have to transfer the USDT to the Web3 wallet. And once you do that, you just have to, if you go to the Web3 wallet, you can see it like this. Click on the send button. Once you click on the send button, it's going to show you this interface on your screen. And what are you going to do? Put in the amount you want to send, and then click on the send button to the USDT wallet of your choice, and it is going to go directly to the wallet. Ethereum is also the same thing. It depends on your preferences. So that's basically how you can withdraw the money that you get on your Eyen referral. Hope this was able to help you, and I'll see you in the next one. Till next time, bye bye.